वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मैथमेटिक्स बाय विमल श्रीवास्तव। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने स्टार्ट किया था चैप्टर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। वी ऑल्सो डिस्कस व्हाट इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, व्हाट आर द रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड हाउ कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स। मीन्स रूट्स विल बी रियल इक्वल, रियल अनइक्वल एंड इमेजिनरी रूट्स. Now in this video we will solve the problems related to that topic. Now we start the questions of quadratic equation. Now in question number 1 we have to find the root of this quadratic equation. The equation is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. I already explained in my previous video, we can find the root or solution or 0 of quadratic equation by any one method, either factorization method or quadratic equation formula. It is up to you. So for example, I will use here factorization method. So now I can write like x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Or I can write, if I take common x, so it will be x minus 5, and where I take common again 2, so that is again x minus 5 equal to 0. Or we can write x plus 2, x minus 5 equal to 0. So if I equate x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2 if x plus 2 equal to 0, and if x minus 5 equal to 0, then x equal to 5. So we can say x equal to minus 2 and 5, that is the root of this quadratic equation, solution of this quadratic equation, or 0 of the quadratic equation. Now next question. In question again we have to find the solution. So we can also solve by either factorization method or quadratic equation formula. Now I solve it by quadratic equation formula. So the formula is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So first we have to compare the equation with standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can write a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 6. Now put the value. So I can write x equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus minus. Now b square minus 4ac. तो 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 1 माइनस 4 इंटू ए कितना है, ए की वैल्यू है 2 और सी की वैल्यू है माइनस 6 अपॉन 2a, दैट इज 2 इंटू 1. नाउ x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस. अब देखिए ये तो हो गया 1, ये माइनस माइनस हो गया प्लस. 4 2 जा 8, 8 6 जा 48, ये आ गया आपका 48 अपॉन 2. Of 48 plus 1, it is 49 and root 49. So we can write root 49, that is the square root of, that is the root 49. So if we take the square root of 49, it will be 7. So we can write x equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 upon 2. अब देखिए यहाँ पर हमारे दोनों साइन है, प्लस साइन और माइनस साइन. So first I take positive sign. I repeat, फर्स्ट आई टेक पॉजिटिव साइन. तो क्या होगा x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 प्लस 7 अपॉन 2, माइनस 1 प्लस 7 दैट इज 6 अपॉन 2. सो द फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन इज दैट इज x इक्वल टू 3. नाउ हियर वी टेक माइनस साइन, हियर वी टेक माइनस साइन. सो इट विल बी x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 माइनस 7 अपॉन 2, दैट इज माइनस 8 अपॉन 2. Or we can write x equal to minus 4. So this quadratic equation has two roots or two solutions, that is x equal to 3, x equal to minus 4. Now we solve next question. Now the next question is under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. In these questions again we have to find the root of this quadratic equation. So I will solve by factorization method. So root 2x square. Now 7x can be written as 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now can we take common x from first two terms and root 2 from last two terms? So now we can write, if I take common x, it will be under root 2x plus 5. Now from last two terms, what we can take common? We can take common under root 2. So it will be under root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now root 2x plus 5, we can take again as a common factor root 2x plus 5, and next that is x plus root 2 equal to 0. If x plus root 2 equal to 0 means x equal to minus under root 2. Next, if root 2x plus 5 equal to 0, then we can write x equal to minus 5 upon under root 2, or when we rationalize the denominator, then we can write x equal to minus 5 root 2 upon 2. So the root of this equations are x equal to minus root 2 and x equal to minus 5 root 2 upon 2. Now next question. In question number 4, we have to find the nature of root of this quadratic equation. So I already explained in my previous video, to find the nature of root we have to use the concept of discriminant. Now what is discriminant? Discriminant, that is d equal to b square minus 4ac. Now when we compare with the standard quadratic equation, we can write a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. Now put all the value. Now d equal to b square means minus 3 का square, minus 3 square minus 4 into a की वैल्यू है 2 और c की वैल्यू है 5. So minus 3 का स्क्वायर ये होगा 9 माइनस 4 2 जा 8, 8 5 जा 40. अब देखिए d की वैल्यू क्या है? d इक्वल टू आ गया 9 माइनस 40 मीन्स माइनस 31, और we can say d is less than 0. That is the third case of discriminant. So the roots will be imaginary. Clear? The roots will be imaginary. Now next question. Equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Again we have to find the nature of roots of this quadratic equation. So first we compare. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 3. Formula of discriminant is d equal to b square minus 4ac. Now put the value. So minus 6 का square minus 4 into 2 into 3, or we can write 6 का square 36 minus 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24. So the value of d is 24, means we can say d is greater than 0. So that is the first case, means when d is greater than 0, we can write roots will be real and unequal. I repeat, roots will be real and unequal if d greater than 0, and if d less than 0, roots will be imaginary. Now the next question is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Find the value of k for which the equation has equal roots. For such types of problem, we use the concept of discriminant. We know that for equal roots, the value of discriminant, it will be 0. So first we compare with the standard quadratic equation. Then we can write a equal to 2, b equal to k, and c equal to 3. And for equal roots, d equal to 0, or we can write b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now put the value. So we can write k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. That is k square. Now 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24 equal to 0. Or we can write k square equal to 24. Now taking the square root, so it will be plus minus 2 root 6. So for equal roots, the value of k will be plus minus 2 root 6. One thing remember, when we will take the square root, we will take both the sign, plus sign and minus sign, because the square of 3, that is 9, and the square of minus 3, that is also 9. So when we have to take the square root of 9, we will not write 3, we will write plus minus 3. It may be plus 3 or it may be minus 3. Now again I explain this question. For equal roots, find the value of k. So first we compare with the standard quadratic equation. A equal to 2, b equal to k, and c equal to 3. For equal roots, we know that b equal to 0, means we can write b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now put the value of a, b, c. So we can add k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So k square minus 24 equal to 0, or k square equal to 24. When we take the square root, it will be k equal to plus minus 2 under root 6. तो आज की वीडियो में हमने सॉल्व किए थे प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, हाउ वी फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ इक्वेशन, हाउ वी फाइंड द नेचर ऑफ रूट, एंड हाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल if the equation has equal roots. In next video we will discuss the word problem of quadratic equation. तो अगर आप सभी को आज का वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.